It looks like there are new developments happening at Tesla Fremont Factory. Fremont Factory seems to be expanding as Fremont Factory appears to be getting a new tent. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Tesla's Fremont Factory appears to be getting a new tent according to a new permit filing Tesla submitted to the Fremont City. Submitted and filed yesterday, Tesla is seeking to gain approval to install a new tent that is valued at just $750,000, but it needs building electric and mechanical permit. It also has 13 light figures and 12 commercial circuit breakers. These are the details. So the filing states the following: installation of permanent tent at road, light tunnel structure, electrical, and controls. Usually these tents are for new assembly lines. Tesla has used tents at the Fremont Factory to add production space, more correctly referred to as Sprung Structure. Tesla started using the tent back in 2018 as the Model 3 ramp started. By 2021, Tesla had filed to make tents permanent at the factory. General Assembly 4 and 4.5 were used to build the Tesla Model 3 electric sedan and Model Y electric crossover, with none of the production occurring inside the factory itself. Instead, manufacturing took place in these sprung structures. I don't know if any other car companies do that. Do you guys know any other car company in Detroit or elsewhere that produces vehicles in tents, in sprung structures? If you know, please let me know in the comment section below. I would like to see, because this should be an extraordinary and remarkable feat to build cars, to build an entire production assembly line in sprung structures, like in tents. Tesla also installed a tent last year, but it was only for storage. Tesla's Fremont Factory has been space confined for some time, and as noted by Morgan Stanley in a letter to investors last year, the plant was, quote-unquote, never designed to produce 450,000 units. At its peak, produced 300,000 units before Tesla took it over from Toyota. Okay, so Toyota apparently made 300,000 vehicles a year at Fremont Factory. When Tesla took it over and started building 450,000 units, it's confined by space, and Tesla is expanding with tents. Very smart, innovative, and interesting ideas. Tesla was still able to work with the limited space it had. However, as production of vehicles, production upgrades have taken place this quarter, as hinted by Elon Musk, during the recent earnings call, things are peaking back up, and perhaps the tent at the Fremont Factory is another attempt to add space. There is no information in the filing on how large the tent is in terms of square footage. Tesla also did not detail how the tent will be used in the filing. Since the space is confined, I'm thinking that Tesla will probably use the tent for either storage space or building electric vehicles. But we'll find out. Anyway, please subscribe to this channel for more news. I'm looking at some comments under Teslara's coverage of this story. One person says the unboxed assembly process should help alleviate their space shortage over time, Tesla's space shortage over time. And this person says, I would think such a wonderful thing to have a major company innovate so rapidly. Like I said a couple of minutes ago, I don't know if any other company innovates in such a way. Don't have time, don't have place, don't have space, build a tent. Build a production capacity in a tent. You probably need space not only to build cars, but also you need space to put your tools or for storage. Build a tent. I mean, this unboxed assembly place is going to be very interesting. Strangely, we have historical numbers that show as 428,000 at peak under Toyota, apparently, not 300, corrects me one person, and under Teslara's coverage. But anyway, we'll look forward to see how Tesla is going to do this, and we'll see how Tesla will increase Fremont Factory's production annual capacity. And I'll let you know if something new happens. Please subscribe to this channel, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I really appreciate your support and sharing in social media. And if you wish, please send us super thanks. God bless you. See you soon in our next report. Tesla appears to be about to launch its next generation Model 3. Some people say the upgrade or the update of this Model 3 is not next generation, but others say no, this is next generation because it's going to be a new design, especially the bumpers, about which I talked about in one of my previous videos a couple of days ago. And today I have a special tweet from China that has very revealing information about this, friends. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. I'm about to tell you what's going on in China and where Tesla may start launching its next generation Model 3. So Tesla appears to be about to launch the next generation of the Model 3. Some people call it an update. Its cheapest electric car, which originally launched back in 2017 after basically a year of tracking Tesla's Highline program, which is the next generation of the Model 3. It finally looks like Tesla is about to launch it. I'm about to tell you about a tweet that like I said, should we call it X these days? It's hard to know. Tesla has pushed all of its new Model 3 orders delivery timelines in Europe past October, meaning that customers, Model 3 buyers, shouldn't expect a delivery until Q4. In the case of the Model 3 performance, Tesla is even quoting deliveries all the way through January 2024. That's highly unusual for Tesla early in the quarter, right? The delay could potentially be attributed to the change over the next generation of the Model 3. That's why Tesla is probably delaying things, friends. In Europe, Tesla sells Model 3 vehicles produced in Gigafactory Shanghai in China. Last month, Tesla warned that it would perform global factory upgrades. That was a quote. That would result in temporary production shutdowns. Those upgrades have been rumored to be linked to the new Model 3. In China, there are now rumors that Tesla is planning to switch over production to the new Model 3 in the coming weeks. We have a tweet from Wuwa, who has been chronicling the Tesla Giga Shanghai from day one, who wrote, according to online rumors, communication from suspected Tesla staff indicates that the current domestically produced Tesla Model 3 will be discontinued on August 14. That's next week. It is reported that the new Tesla Model 3 will be officially put into production in the Q3. That could explain the delay in the delivery timelines in Europe. For the North American market, Tesla produces the Model 3 out of the Fremont Factory in California. Tesla still has short delivery timelines for the Model 3 in the United States. The automaker appeared to have had a short shutdown in Fremont Factory last week, but we couldn't confirm if it was related to the Model 3 and upgrading the Model 3 lines to start building the next generation Model 3. The next generation Model 3 is expected to feature a slight design update, especially to the front and end back of the electric vehicle. It should have also chassis upgraded that could potentially make the vehicle lighter and cheaper to produce. The new Model 3 is expected to also feature the new hardware 4.0 self-driving hardware that has made it to the Tesla's other models. There has been a rumor that it would be equipped with new battery cells from CATL that could enable more energy capacity inside the vehicle for a longer range. As you know, CATL is Tesla's largest electric car battery partner and largest electric vehicle battery producer in the world. Tesla is not expected to make an official announcement about the new Model 3 until it is in production in both Gigafactory Shanghai and Fremont Factory. I will explain why. We expect this should come by the end of the month based on the information that I just quoted here. Why would Tesla make an announcement about the Model 3 that is coming, later if people have already ordered the current Model 3? Because obviously some people would want to have the new and upgraded, some people call it next generation Model 3 electric sedan. So Tesla is not going to make an announcement on that, but we'll see how things go. I'm thinking, do you think Tesla will have both upgraded Model 3s start at Fremont and Shanghai at the same day, same time, or different days, different times? Because what will happen if Tesla starts shipping Model 3s, upgraded Model 3s from Gigafactory Shanghai, while the Fremont factory is still making the current or quote-unquote older versions of Model 3? But these are very interesting things. We will find out soon. Please subscribe to this channel as I'm going to report more on these issues, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.